All right, so this is commercials I've been seeing forever lately. Lots of them. It's called the Zen H2. So it's touting energy by hydrogen. So I was very curious about it. I'm like, so if you sign up, they want $99, and then the projected cost for you is $2,400. Seems like a big investment there. Seems pretty sketchy to me. So I decided to go and ask AI about it and say, how's this getting energy? So what they don't really say in here is there's a cartridge right there. That cartridge, you have to buy that. So this is the reference to this is you buy a Gillette razor that comes with 2 refills. But once those refills end, then you have to go out and buy more refills. And the refills are more expensive than the Gillette razor that you initially bought. So we went over to my buddy and we want to see what he's got for us. Hold on a second. Let me see if he came up with one. Yeah. All right. So we asked him about it, yeah, and he said that there's a powder that it reacts with. So it's not the water that's making energy. It's the powder. So that cartridge is going to be the key. So you're going to have to buy that cartridge. And how long does that cartridge last? So nowhere do I see where it says how long. It doesn't say anything about having to buy an extra cartridge. So it's definitely not. And it says it's still not proven as being proven tested for inside. So it's a reactive metal to water. Those combine to make hydrogen, which makes a fuel cell, which makes electricity. So it's some sort of atomic powder in water. The military uses it now. Sodium in water is another way. So it's already been used, but now this concept is to make it into a generator that you can use. But what it doesn't say, what it is, it doesn't say anything about the cartridges. If you go back to the here, this is about the television. I just found it fascinating because I've been seeing this commercial. I'm like, Zen H2 seems cool. Why, if we could do energy from water and even a cartridge, why come we're not doing it already? So it just seems a little bit weird, but it's still in post-production. You'd have to put up money. So I just found it fascinating. So we're going to make a little spoof on it because it seems a little sketchy to me, but it's just my opinion. So we'll leave it at that right there. It's cold. So we'll put that up there. So you'll see it on all the commercials everywhere. But that cartridge is the key right there. How much does that cost? And how long does that cartridge last to run this? That's my question right there. Again, and I go back to the Gillette razors. Same concept. How much are these going to cost? And then are they disposable? What do you do with them? Right? It's got to be some sort of a chemical in there. I said what the chemical was. There's a few different kinds of chemicals. It's got to react to that. And how long does it last? Yeah. Fun little fact I saw. Well, I've been seeing it for a few days. Actually more than that, but probably about a month now. And it's really caught my attention.